In this video, I will show you how to request to join live on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to now tap on this live option at the top left side, this live icon, this one. Now you can be able to see all the people that are currently live on TikTok. So as you can see now. So after you open this session, as you can see now you can be able, as you can see here, all are the people that currently creator you follow. So as you can see now, you can see all the people that you follow that are currently live. But if you scroll to down, you can be able to see anyone that is currently live on TikTok that you did not follow him. So now, if you want to join someone live on TikTok, all you have to do now, like this person now, I want to join his live. So all I have to do now, as you can see now, here it says, as you can see now he gives me a button. As you can see, it says request, request, request. So now if I tap on this request button now, as you can see, like this one. So as you can see now, here it says request to join as a guest. So now if I tap on this request, now the person will allow me now to be part of his live video. As you can see now, if I tap on this, let's tap on it. So now if I tap on it, I'll wait for the person to allow me. As you can see here, it says allow TikTok to record audio. So now I don't want just join him onto it. As you can see, like this option, like this live, that's not making live. It doesn't give you the option to live. He do option, but who will give us recommend? As you can see now, he gives the option. Here is it. As you can see here is the option now. Here's a request to join. So if I tap on this request button, you can see the request button. So it will allow me, it will ask me again to join his live by enabling my audio. So I don't want to do it again. That's people just build option to join. So like, let's say this person, as you can see, this people should join his live. But if you want to join his live, all you have to do now, come to this where it says add a comment. Add a comment, just type him that I want to join his live. Just type something like I want to join your live. So if you send him this message, if he intend, he can just enable you. He can send you he can give you the button to tap and access the live. As you can see now, because this is tutorial video, he doesn't allow someone to join his live. He want to just make the video only his own, only for one person. That's it guys, on how to request to join someone live on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.